рождественский.
Yasin!
G O G L E Gulu gulu.
That's the best.
Plie tes jambes, ça va? 1, 2, 3.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Ugh. We're tramping through the bush.
If you poke my ass one more time, I'm gonna break your hands off.
Jesus.
Show your face if someone touches your man.
Those over there. Yeah. Well, that's it's not as healthy, but it tastes better. Here, now it's healthy. 360, 26 grams. No. Get the sweeter things. Yeah. Babe, whoa, what are you doing?
What are you talking about?
Get dressed.
Why? I'm not ready to get dressed yet. I'm still like working on my.
You're in a towel.
So what?
We have company. Like Tommy's here.
You've seen me in a towel before, I'm sure, right? He
he hasn't seen you in a towel, and also that's just.
It's fine. I'm covered. Are you bothered?
Well, I'm bothered. I'm bothered.
But he's not bothered.
This seems a little attention seeking.
I'm covered.
Okay. Just go put something on.
No, you know what? No. Here. Now this is happening.
Anna, that's not.
He's seen me like this before, and so have you.
What is she talking about?
He's seen me just like this.
I'm tired of having no booty, so I'm gonna try the viral TikTok leggings. Before, after, oh my god, how is this even real? I'm so shook.
Babe,
let's get
close
his
your
reaction.
Eyes. Close your eyes. Don't look. Don't look, okay?
What are you doing?
Alright, open your eyes.
Oh my god.
You like them?
Did you stuff?
No, this is my ass, baby!
What? No way. Are
What?
The leggings are doing that?
Yeah. No, it's my ass. Like
Dump truck.
dump truck.
Go.
I can't stop laughing.
People are pretending to choke in front of their pets to see how they react. And here she is. She's doing this sort of cough and then lay down.
And here's the dog, checking the vital signs.
Okay.
What's he going
Just
to
a
do?
little nudge. Check she's okay. Check she's okay. And he goes and gets a knife.
Oh my God!
Just trying to, he was like, I'm going to finish the job.
Vai lá aí!
I mean.
You
can guess my age, I'll give you a high five. If not, I have to tickle you. So how old am I?
In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of elite squad known as the
Call your motherfucking phone and tell you to
My phone been disconnected. What the fuck you want me to do?
Well, I'm pregnant. You tell me what the fuck you gonna do.
Damn, you having 5 babies?
No, it's one fucking baby. That's your nose, that's your leg, that's your motherfucking baby, bitch.
I'm not even black and white.
Motherfucker, that's the ink.
This ain't me.
Yeah, that's you. That's you. That's you.
And what it is? This a what?
This is a girl.
I can't even have girl.
Yes, you can.
Hell no,
yes,
because
you
my
can.
mama had 5. They say if I have one, we all gonna die.
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit! Now come on!
Why? I hate you. I hate you. Stop it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I know. Look at that. Is that fun? It looks like another woman. Okay, hide her. Right. Cover it up. Okay, go get in the closet.
Oh, hey! Hey!
Dead?
Yeah, I was really tired. What are you doing home so early? You're home early?
Yeah, I finished early, so I figured I'd just come home. See, are you not feeling
That's awesome.
I'm
fine. Fine.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You don't need like a Tylenol or a tea? It's weird for you to be in bed.
A tea would be great.
Why don't you come down with me? We'll just have a tea and we'll take your temperature and see how you're doing.
That sounds really nice. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Why don't you go ahead of me, and I'll meet you down there. I just need you to I just really need you to
What is going
now.
on? Who
What
is
do you
in
mean?
this bed?
What are you talking about? It's not easy. It's just
I told my son to watch this video.
It disappeared.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Go, baby, come on, go. Come on, you got it, babe. You got it. Oh, you okay, baby? Baby, you okay?
Come on, babe, you got this. 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Go, go, you got this, you got this, you got this. You got this.
When your son wants to go back in.
Oh shit, okay. Is he kicking?
I mean, please don't.
catch you at your crib. If you reading this, is too late. When they chopper at a nigga, now he running like a track race. Catch a nigga while he waiting on his dinner. Cut his head off, leave his ass with a full plate.